welcome to Insulin Calculations. So first, let's read the question. So a patient is to receive 32 units of regular insulin each morning before breakfast. How many milliliters will the patient receive with each dose? And how many days will the vial last? So let's look at the question number 1, which is how many milliliters will the patient receive with each dose? So from the question, we know that each morning, patient receives 32 units of insulin before breakfast. So we know that each dose is 32 units. But the problem is that we need to convert 32 units into milliliters. So in order to convert, we first need to know the concentration strength of the insulin per milliliter. So by looking at the label, we know the concentration strength is 100 units per mil. So that means there are 100 units in every 1 mil. So 32 units would equal how many milliliters? Let's keep unknown as x mils. Then we'll just cross multiply. 100 times x is equal to 32 times 1. So in order to isolate x, we need to divide both sides by 100. So that would leave us with x is equal to 32 divided by 100, which is equal to 0.32 mils. Which is the answer. Patient would receive 32 units or 0.32 mils in each dose. So let's look at the second question now. Second question says, how many days will the vial last? So in order to know that, we first need to know how much is one vial. So one vial contains 10 milliliters of total volume of insulin. So how many days will the 10 ml vial last to the patient? 0.32 mils is taken by the patient in 1 day. So 10 mils would be taken within how many days? So let's keep it as x days. So as usual, we'll cross multiply and get the answer. So 0.32 times x is equal to 10 times 1. So let's divide both sides by 0.32 in order to isolate x. That would leave us with 10 divided by 0.32. So let's find out the answer with the help of a calculator. So let's see. 10 divided by 0.32 will give us 31.25 number of days. So the answer is 31.25 days. Or we can write it approximately as 31 days. So that's our answer. Thanks for watching and see you next time.